You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish, meaning in Spanish shrimps or prawns, garlic prawns, exactly. So let's break down how it is to be pronounced. Spanish pronunciation, gambas al ajillo, ajillo. Now in South America, depending on the country, it might be pronounced as ajillo, ajillo. But in Spanish from Spain, double L is like a Y. Gambas al ajillo. Now if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can replace the J sound with an H sound. Gambas al ajillo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.